Shwmai, Sally ydw I a fi yw Comisiynydd Plant. Fy swydd yw hyrwyddo a diogelu hawliau holl blant a phobl ifanc Cymru. Yn y fideo hwn, byddwch chi'n gweld Mwslimiaid ifanc o Gymru yn trafod eu profiadau nhw. Dwi eisiau dweud wrthoch chi bod y fideo yn cynnwys gair hiliol. A gair yw paci. Bydd rai o'r bobl ifanc yn y fideo yn trafod y ffaith bod nhw wedi cael profiad uniongyrchol o'r gair hwn a sut mae'n gwneud iddyn nhw teimlo. Rydyn ni wedi cadw'r gair yn y fideo achos rydyn ni'n meddwl bod hi'n bwysig i gyflwyno profiadau'r bobl ifanc mewn ffordd onest. Mae'n hynod bwysig i danlinellu'r ffaith bod defnyddio'r gair hwn yn annibyniol llwyr. Mae wedi cael ei ddefnyddio am ddegawdau i fygwth, gormesu a bychanu pobl oherwydd lliw i croen. Os rydych chi'n gweld neu glywed person yn defnyddio'r gair hwn, dwedwch wrth athro yn syth. Os rydych chi wedi cael eich effeithio gan unrhyw beth rydych chi'n clywed yn y fideo, galwch childline ar dim 8 dim dim 1111. Neu, os ydych chi'n meddwl bod hiliaeth neu wahaniaethu rydych chi neu rhywun rydych chi'n adnabod wedi profi, heb gael ei cymryd o ddifri, cysylltwch gyda fy swyddfa am cyngor di-dal a chyfrinachol ar dim 1792 765 6
Yeah, I've been called terrorist, Paki terrorist, told to go back to my own country, that have I got bombs in my bag, that sort of thing.
They say that you're like Paki and things, they call you like really bad names.
I was called a terrorist in school.
I've experienced people disliking maybe me or maybe the way I wear my scarf. For example, when I'm sitting on a bus, people tend to avoid the seat next to me, maybe because they know I'm a Muslim because of the scarf as a symbol.
Obviously there are the staring problems, and because of Brexit now, actually in Cardiff in general I just get stared at, which is very, very weird.
My sisters and my cousins and my aunties, they're a bit scared to go out because of things like acid attacks and things like that.
I was walking down the street and then someone told me to take the scarf off. I'm like, didn't know what to say.
People are treating us differently how they treat other people, and I think that's not fair.
People are rude about Islam and they say really bad things, like Donald Trump.
I was at the beach once and we're just going past some guys and there's loads of people, and then you just hear the guy just say terrorist, and like he doesn't know us at all.
If my mum was to go out on her own, maybe when it gets dark or in the night time, then I'm worried, and I do try to talk to her as much as I can to see that she is okay, because you don't know like what can happen when mum is outside.
I just feel really bad for them, really sad, really really put down. So I try and go with them if anytime they want to go out. Me and my cousins, the male ones, would go with them just to make them feel safer. But it restricts them so much, and it does like it hurts, basically.
I want to learn, I want to build a career, but people don't see that. People don't take you as normal people.
Saying to somebody, oh yeah, you're Paki, go back to where you come from. I was born here.
It makes me feel unsafe, because it's like if I'm not welcome in this country, then it's like where can I go?